Hashtag
I love prayer.
Hashtag I love prayer.
So the reason I pray is, first of all, it's my way of communicating with God, not just about telling Him how I feel or what I want to say to Him, but also receiving the stuff that He wants to say to me, like, for example, wisdom or guidance on how I should live my daily life or important decisions that I need His advice on. Besides that, from what I've learned in our previous Sunday preachings as well as cell group weekly cell groups rather, prayer is also our ways of receiving protection from the world we live in right now, since you know, marami pong times na pwede tayong matempt ng environment kung nasan tayo, and just by praying we can receive protection and guidance on how we should act with the people we're surrounded with. Besides that po, prayer also improves our devotion and faithfulness towards God, and overall just strengthens our relationship with our Father. So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Why I pray is not only to talk to my Father, but also spend time with Him and to let my will be aligned to His will. Okay.
I pray to humble myself to God. Because the less I pray, the more I found myself trusting my own ways. So guys, let's persist in prayer.
Nananalangin ako everyday, morning and pagtulog, bago matulog, kasi gusto ko always lagi nakakonect kay Lord. Gusto lagi yung papasalamat ako sa umaga, sa binigay niyang pagising sa umaga, na nagpapasalamat ko dahil sa ginising niya ako sa umaga na may kalakasan, may strength. Sa gabi din naman, kaya ako nananalangin dahil yung buong maghapon na pag-iingat niya sa akin at sa family ko. Yun.
Tanong kung bakit ako nananalangin. Nananalangin ako para makarating ako kay God, para maiparating ko sa Kanya yung kahilingan ko, yung mga ninanais ko. Kaya ako nagpe-pray kasi kailangan ko rin ng protection. Halimbawa, kung anong minsan naguguluhan yung isip. So, sa pamamagitan ng pananalangin, nababawasan yung mga alalahanin, yung mga ano ba yun, basta ang panalangin yun yung relasyon natin kay God na dapat hindi mawawala sa buhay natin, yung pananalangin. Kasi sa pamamagitan ng panalangin, diyan din natin makakamit yung mga ninanais natin, mga minimithi natin sa buhay through prayers.